Someone just crashed into me in my Model 3 today. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, so as you heard by my intro, someone ran into me today on the road. So kind of an interesting situation, and was just turning left, someone else was turning right, and as I turned left, they turned right and swung way over into my lane and hit the right rear corner of my car. So got ran into today, got run into. You can see they contacted my my tire as well. It's thrown the alignment off a little bit, but it's damaged my bumper and crinkled the metal pretty good here and gouged in. It's pretty good dent. Not sure how well you can see it there, but definitely upsetting. But what are you going to do? They have good insurance, so I'm going to take you along this road to show you all of the ins and outs of getting a Tesla repaired and what I go through. I drive so many miles that about once every year and a half or so I get bumped into by somebody, and this is obviously pretty upsetting to me. It's a very expensive car that I waited years to get. It is drivable. The alignment's off, but it is drivable, and so they have a good high-end insurance company, the people that ran into me, and I've already gone through the process. In fact, the gentleman I spoke to from her insurance company, I turned onto my channel, and so he's going to be watching videos, and he'll be commenting here soon. But anyway, I'm going to take you guys through the process of dealing with the other person's insurance company and what it's like to have a Tesla and to go through this process. So anyway, just a quick video. I'll keep you guys updated as I have information on it. I am also going to pursue the insurance company for reduced vehicle value compensation, just because of the fact that now the car's going to have an accident, although it's just a dented fender, but it will have an accident against its Carfax report, and that really troubles me. So this will be the first time that I'll have gone through that process. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll keep you posted again as this whole saga unfolds. And go ahead and subscribe. You can keep updated on what's going on with the accident, along with some other things that I'm going to be doing with the channel. And if you're going to be buying a new Tesla and you'd like help on supercharging expense, go ahead and use my referral link. It'll be down in the description below. Every time that I get a referral, it helps the channel and helps the purchaser of the car. So anyway, thanks everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.